Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dish, and we're gonna open the package and see what's inside.
Alright, where the package from?
Amazon.
Okay. You have to turn to the camera. What are those?
I don't know.
You don't know and you don't care?
Mm.
What are those? Turn around, let me see. Those are some shoes. What are they?
Crocs.
They're Crocs. Why you sound like that? Like you didn't want to see Crocs.
It comes with shorts.
Take the shoes off the table, please, ma'am. Take them off the table, even though they're brand new.
Hey.
Put them on the ground.
Okay.
So I had to help Dish to open the box, so now she's gonna open it and see what's inside. What's that?
Food.
Oh, balloons. Another pair of shoes.
This one's from inside.
Okay, you're turning your back all video. You gotta turn around. Wow, let's see those shoes. Wow. Oh, God, Dish, you really wanted to put on those shoes. Ooh, they look so good on you. What else is in the package? Okay, all right, so what are you opening now? Okay, so open the balloon. Oh, Lord, I think you're going to need some help, no? All right, Dish, so finally you got the balloons open. What does the balloon say?
The balloons say, "Forgiven in our heart."
No.
How does this read?
Let's blow it up a little bit. Look at it again. What does the balloon say?
Forever in our hearts.
So what is this balloon for?
For Grandma.
Grandma, yeah.
Let me let go.
Well, we're going to have to put helium in it and then we're going to release it. Go show it to Daddy.
Because they are cheap. Unfortunately, like, subscribe. So bye.
Okay.